Hey everybody, welcome back to Craps University. Today we're going to talk about another iron cross variation, and this one's called the horn cross. Very, very simple. I'm going to go ahead and get some red, $50. So I've got 50 in red to play the horn bet. Horn bet is a one roll bet. Hey, look, check out these green dice. Maybe the green dice mean money. All right. Along with that, we are going to place one table unit all the way across. Of course, 6 and 8 will be capped to 30. And let's see how this goes. We'll do a few different shooters. Let's see how it goes. We're coming out. And 5. All right, now our numbers are working. Our horn bet, basically, we could do it like that. We could do it like that. So we've got $5 on each of these. If 3 and 11 hit, that is $75. If aces or midnight hit, that's $150. Very easy. And of course, if these hit, $35. And full collection, no pressing. The only numbers that we really don't have are the 4 and 10, the outside. So we've got the inside and the very extreme numbers on the spectrum. All right, we're rolling. And aces, look at that, right out of the gate. Okay. So 150. $150, we'll rack that up, and we will put down 20. So we're doing a $20 horn bet. That's $5 on each. 2, 3, 11, 12. Six, we lose our horn bet. We get paid on the 6. And for this one, I will just pay out 35. That's a loss there. And pick up 20, put it back on the horn, and we rack 15. And midnight, wow, nothing happens to these inside bets. But again, we're going to get paid $150. We'll lose 15 of this, and we'll rack that up, and we will repopulate that horn with 20. And 6, our horn loses, but we get paid 35. Actually, let me pay myself 30, 35. Horn bet again. We'll rack up that 20. And 4, that's a number we don't have. Horn bet down. We replace it with 20 out of our rack. And 7 out. All right, that was a good little run at it. 50. I mean, we could use 25 on them, and we could do something like a horn high yo. That means $10 on the 11, $5 on the rest. That gets you your 25. But let's get a point established. And 10. 10 the hard way. And we're coming back inside. 30 on the 6 and 8. 20 on the horn. And 10. That's a point. We lose our horn bet, of course. And we're coming out. And 6. Drop a horn bet. And 7. 7 out. All right. These will not be working. That's 25. There we go. And we're coming out. And midnight. Horn bet. Nothing happening for us. And 8. 8 the easy way. And we're going to do a horn high yo. And 6. $30 pays $35. Rack up that. Horn high yo, looking for a yo. And midnight. That pays $150 for that $5 bet. That's $150. We'll throw another horn high yo there. And 7. 7 out. All right. Very interesting. We got 2,000 in black. And look at that. 25 there. 75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we basically broke even on that one. No loss, no gain. And everybody, that is the variation called the horn cross. It's a variant of the iron cross. Pretty interesting. Probably not too sustainable, but still, it's fun. So, want to thank everybody for watching Craps University. Leave a comment if you've ever played this and share your experience with everybody. And we'll see you at the tables. Thanks for watching.